Hey guys, so what we have here today, finally, is this 52-inch Hunter Spectrum ceiling fan. Um it's in brushed chrome slash gunmetal finish. Well, it says on the catalog brushed chrome motor with gunmetal trim, but I'm very happy to have this fan. I finally got it up for testing. And I got this from the preservation station along with the white one. This one was like 30. I asked for 35 because the lady allowed me to talk it down, and it's now mine. And it also comes with the control, which is right here. I'll explain that. But focus. There we go. Show the looks. There's your, so you can get a closer look. There's your logo. And then there's the Granite side blades. And then the other side is black, which I actually like the Granite side better. It looks cool with the Hunter. And it's my first time I've ever owned one of these too. I'm very happy with it. And let's go ahead and demonstrate it. Focus. Come on, there you go. Start with the light. I finally bought a halogen light, 150 watt. I bought it from Menards, and it works good too. Turn it off. Oh, there we go. And then here's your controls where it gives you options. So let's go ahead and start it on low. Take this time to pick it up to speed. And this is the first time I've got this up for testing. Also, the date of this is, I want to say, I think at least I checked the date, it's February of 1992. And I did look it up on top. So, there's your low speed. Now let's go for medium. It's finally picking up. And we'll go for high speed. There we go, now it's picking up some air. And I'll show you the air movement because it does pick up some great air. This is awesome. I like how much air moves. And I'll go ahead and turn the light on while it's on high. See a little closer. I am using a different mounting bracket because I do have the original mounting bracket, which is down there. But I decided to put it up easier with a different mounting bracket. It's just how I wanted to test it. And let's go ahead and turn it off. And then turn the light off. Tell you what, we'll go ahead and put on reverse. Oh. Okay, got that. And then there's your forward, reverse option. So we'll go ahead and start it on. Hang on a minute. Get this camera focused. It won't focus, but whatever. So we'll go ahead and start it on low. Nope. There we go. There we go. Now it's on reverse on low. Actually, I'm going to turn the light on. That's what I did before. I love how it looks, especially on low. And then turn the light off. And then we'll go for medium. It's moving faster. I'll see if I can try to wire up the white one too. This one takes a while to put together, but I do like how it looks. Alright, and then here's your high speed. Turn the light on again. All I could say is, wow. Let's go around the other side. Turn the light off. Oh. Sorry, I'm standing under the Lasco and the pull chains are moving. And let's go ahead and turn the fan off. Very interesting fan. This is probably one of my favorite hunters right here. Well, this is probably my second favorite because my first favorite is the Lasco, the blue Lasco I have. But this one I really love. I'm very happy I got it to work. About ready to stop pretty soon. And there you have it. It's your 52-inch Hunter Spectrum ceiling fan. And hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.